Hello guys, so today we are going to see a problem from LeetCode called count number of nodes in a complete binary tree. So the problem statement is simple. Given a complete binary tree, count the number of nodes. So you must be knowing what is a complete binary tree. So basically complete binary tree is a full binary tree till h minus 1th level, and at the last level the nodes will be filled from left to right. So this is a complete binary tree, and this is not a complete binary tree because it is not filled from left. The last level is not filled from left. So a simple solution would be to count all nodes by traversing the whole tree, and it will take O of n times. So can we do something better? Can we use some property of complete binary tree? What if I give you a full binary tree? Will you be able to count the number of nodes? That is pretty easy, right? I will give you a tree. We will just calculate the height, and we will use the formula 2 to the power h minus 1. So here height is 3, number of nodes will be 7. The time complexity to count the number of nodes in full binary tree will be O of log n, because you have calculated the height of the tree. So can we use the same concept in complete binary tree? Given this complete binary tree, we just need to extract all the subtrees which are full binary trees. Let's see how. So initially you will be at the root. Now you will go left and calculate the height, and similarly you will go right and calculate the height. So left height is equal to 4 and right height is equal to 3. Remember that this is not the height of the tree. We are just calculating by traversing leftmost branch and traversing rightmost branch. I will see at this point both the heights are not equal. Hence it is not a full binary tree. So I will do two recursive calls, one to the left and one to the right children. So first I will go to left, then I will again find the left height of leftmost branch, and right height of the rightmost branch, and I will see whether left height and right height are equal. Yes, they are equal. That means it is a full binary tree. That means I can directly count total number of nodes in this subtree. So I will return 7 here, 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Now I will go to right children and I will count left height and right height. Since it is equal, so I will return 2 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 3. So from here I got 7, from here I will get 3. So this will return 7 plus 3 plus 1 because it will count itself also. So total number of nodes will be 11. Let's take another example. This is also a complete binary tree. So I will first come to root node. I will go and find leftmost height and I will find rightmost height. I will get LH as 4 and RH as 3. Since they both are not equal, then I will recurse to both the children. Now I will come to left children and it will again calculate left and right. So my left height will be 3 and right height will be 2. Again they are not equal, so I will recurse to both the children. I will come at this child. Since left height and right height are equal, I can count number of nodes for this subtree and it will return 3. Now my recursion will come here and it will check whether left height and right height are equal. They are not. So again it will go to left of this children. So if you can see, ultimately our algorithm is find what is the rightmost node at last level, right? So from here it will return 1, this will return 2, and this will return 2 plus 3 plus 1, 3. Similarly I will go to right child. Here I will find left height and right height as equal, so I will return here 3. So total nodes will be 6 plus 3 plus 1, that is 10. Let's see the time complexity of this approach. As you can see, we are calculating height many times. So it will take log n time to calculate height one time. Now how many times I am calculating height? That will depend on when I am getting rightmost node of the last level. So in worst case, I might go to the leaf node. So it will also take log n. So the time complexity will be log n into log n. Let's see the code. So here I have three functions. This is the main function. So initially I am checking my left height and right height. That means if this is a tree, so I am calculating this part and this part. This is LH and this is RH. Now I am checking whether LH is equal to RH. If it is, then that means I have found a subtree that is full binary tree and I can directly calculate the number of nodes. Otherwise I will recurse to left part and right part, counting that node also. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.